Holy crap, we made it. The top 10 is here. And if you've been with us since number 30, my sincerest thank you. Okay, on to the project. These lights are so cool. Totally reminds me of being in some crazy steampunk dream. And I've been blown away any time that I've been able to see one in person. I also find a lot of these to be super functional, with outlets and USB ports for charging built right into them. Very cool. I think the best ones, though, are the ones that take the shape of a figure. Whether you want to build a desk lamp, or maybe a wall sconce, or a dining room table light, or a theater room light, these are sure to impress anywhere they go. But I want to know, what's the coolest one that you've ever seen? Show me in the comments. And check in next episode as we check out blueprints for a really cool outdoor kitchen island. See you then.